Welcome back to the Summer Salad Series episode 4. Today we are making a creamy and colorful Thousand Island salad. We will start by making the dressing. Add 1 cup of fresh cream, 4 tablespoons of Greek yogurt and 4 tablespoons of ketchup and 2 tablespoons of pineapple juice. Sprinkle in a tablespoon of sugar, some salt to taste and a quarter teaspoon of black pepper. Mix it well until smooth and creamy. Now let's add the salad ingredients. Add 1 cup of boiled pasta, 1 cup of diced red bell pepper, half a cup of chopped cucumber, 1 chopped apple, a cup of grated carrots and 1 cup of pineapple chunks. Gently toss everything together, making sure the dressing coats every bite, creamy, colorful and full of flavor. Now transfer it to your serving dish and finish with a generous sprinkle of pomegranate seeds for that final pop of color and freshness. Serve it chilled or right away. It's sweet, tangy and perfectly creamy without the heaviness of mayo. If you are enjoying the summer salad series, don't forget to like, subscribe and check out the other episodes. More fresh ideas coming your way. Until then, bye bye.